'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
Good morning from the Yacht and Beach Club. We are on our way over to EPCOT. The goal was to rope drop. Early entry started 9 minutes ago. So for the DisGoals family, especially for the boys, we're actually doing pretty good this morning. So the nice perk about staying at this resort is it is just a short walk over to International Gateway. So today is Sunday, July 21st. I just heard from a guest behind us, Ratatouille is down. So I'm not sure what our plan is this morning. We do have a virtual queue for Guardians, but let's see what's up. And we're in. I actually just checked the app and Remy's is up. So I don't know if she was mistaken or maybe it just came back up, but it says a 45-minute wait. So we're gonna go over and check it out and see. I see a line over there and it goes past the front. So hopefully that's not the Remy line. Those are just people hanging out. Oh no, I think it's just people walking. You never know. Test track is down. Well, no, they're refurbishing it, so it's going to be different. Like the new, or like, kind of like the old World of Motion, a little bit esque. Yeah, it was what Test Track used to be before the original Test Track, and then this Test Track 2.0. It was World of Motion, so.
I always see their names.
Oh, like the same track?
It'll be the same track. It'll just be a different storyline and stuff. So something different. We like different and new, right? We still like Test Track 1.0 because that was obviously what we always had when we first came to the park. So that's kind of what we know. But yeah, I'm all for something new. The 2.0 version, it never really fully worked. So I'm okay with something different, but we're gonna head back into France. These boys are doing great. Wallpaper. The air is really kicking in here, Michael. You gotta be happy with that. Look, Noah, I know he's holding pots, but he almost looks like he's holding two of those ice cream sandwiches you get from the Les Artisans de Glace. Let's see if I can zoom in. I haven't filmed this room in a long time. Vegetables, like zucchini. What else is in it? It's actually really good. Yeah, I like it. Yeah. Your dad's not much of a vegetarian.
I do. It tastes good, but it's the sauce that makes it good.
It's the sauce boss.
Oh, sauce boss.
Aaron wore his chicken guy shirt yesterday. So we got the purple mouse, which I thought does some little extra spins, so we'll see.
Voilà, venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Zami is waiting for you. This way. Oh, here they are, Remy. des invités pour le dîner.
Yes, what to prepare? Hein? On n'aurait pas idée à coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
What?
Mais oui, that's it!
Finally going this way.
Dîner pour nos invités! Hein? Hey guys, the food is for them, not you! Neil!
We end up waiting about 55 minutes. So it was like about 10 minutes longer than posted, but it honestly went quick. The line kept moving. It looks a little bit shorter now. It's still probably about, but it's probably not moving as quickly. But such a cute ride. Though I will tell you, if you get motion sickness, I get a little bit during the chasing scene. I just close my eyes and just feel like the mouse kind of vibrate and move around versus like watching it and getting sick. That mouse, our mouse did spin around a lot more though. Oh, looks like Daddy's maybe getting some crepes. So it is 10 o'clock. We just got off of Remy, and this is like some of the wait times in the park right now. Definitely everything is very low. Soarin' is 25, Frozen's 30. It says that the Mickey and Friends definitely did jump up. It was 15 minutes before we got on the ride. Now it's 30 minutes. And then Remy's at 60. And then poor Figgy, he's down.
What's down?
Figment. I know how sad you are.
Kids are sad.
We actually did that last time. I think we're good on that. Yeah, but we're, you know, it's not an every trip thing.
You just like the skunk part.
The skunk part, yeah. I wish they would do it like randomized, where it would be like something different stinky each time. That would be kind of fun.
Hi, can I do?
Nice thing here is you can get like sweet or savory ones, depending what you are in the mood for.
Okay, so those are the meals. So the crepes are
I think the
just
boys have
okay,
both
so can I get
chosen
chocolate hazelnut cream, please?
the sweet ones.
It won't be, yeah, it's fine.
After a lengthy wait, the kids have finally gotten their crepes. You happy? You better eat fast, buddy, because that ice cream is gonna melt. Are you gonna? Oh, that's smart, actually. He's smearing it over. Yeah, that's smart.
There's chocolate inside my crepe.
Yes, chocolate and hazelnut, right? Which I guess it's chocolate hazelnut. I don't know. I have napkins if you need napkins. I didn't show you, but we stopped into the Germany Pavilion. They actually had the shops open. And I found, actually I think either Noah or Aaron found it for me, one of the bird ornaments that has like the feathers on it. And I know in our first original trips here, I always would buy one every trip, and I haven't seen them in years. And so now I'm thinking maybe I just overlooked them because they were like on a wreath in the shop, but it's so pretty. It was only $12 with my $11 with my discount, so that's not bad. But we're gonna, I think, try and head to Frozen. I feel like the wait time is cranking up because it said 30 minutes. I don't know what it is right now, but we'll give it a shot. It doesn't look very busy. Back here, granted, it's only 10:37. But it is getting toasty. I'm getting a little peckish, are you? Yeah. Did you guys ever come to the parks when this used to be like Smoker's Alleyway? Years ago before they made the parks smoke-free? Oh. Oh, that's the line for Akrashish. Or maybe it's not. Maybe that's the line for Frozen. Oh, I think it is. Yikes. Okay, let's see what the wait time is. Never a good sign when you sit down and the seat is already wet.
First time in forever. I'm so glad you came along forever.
I did forget to tell you that it wasn't a 40-minute wait. It was only like about 25 minutes, so it wasn't too bad. The line moved very quickly. There wasn't a lot of like lightning lanes kind of being used today, so I don't think people are taking advantage of it, which makes the standby line move even quicker. So we came into the Mexico Pavilion, which oddly enough, I just found out there are no bathrooms in. After all these years, I never realized it. I mean, I know I never really like looked for one, but there are none. So make sure you hit up Norway or the Odyssey building before you get into Mexico. But Michael is in line for a table at La Cava de Tequila. I guess they open at 11, so it's about 11:30. So hopefully there's some tables that start rotating out soon. So we can get a table, get some chips and queso, get some drinks. You can definitely walk up to the bar and grab drinks too and just take them to go. But we went chips and queso and guac, so we're going to sit down. But I wanted to show you a little bit of the Mexico Pavilion here. They've got lots of different like artwork, handcrafted items. You obviously have the Grand Fiesta Tour inside as well. That looks like it's an absolute walk-on, which is awesome. And then you've got San Hanel Inn Restaurante, which they did just start changing a little bit of their tables, so they make it a little bit more spacious. Let's see if I can see. I want to say we ate here once a long time ago. It's before blogging. Oh yeah, there does seem to be a little bit more room in here. It's kind of pretty if you sit along the wall because you get to see the Grand Fiesta Tour boats kind of go by. And a little birdie told me that this store is now all cocoa, which does look to be true. So let's go in because I love cocoa. Oh wow, look at the fan. That is so cool.
Der isst immer Tamales.
So if cocoa is a favorite of yours, this is a great shop to pop into now. Got little toy sets. They do have a pin trading. They have a Three Caballeros section here. It doesn't look like they sell the shirt that Aaron is wearing, which somebody was asking about that before, so I think that one's sold out. So the menu, they've got some specialty cocktails, lots of different tequilas. Obviously they specialize in margaritas. They have some beers on tap, a mocktail, and some food too. Mike got a, what is it called? Highland coffee, Tromba Blanco tequila, Cafito coffee liqueur, vanilla cream, chilla liqueur, and espresso coffee. I got the Paloma. Very delicious, very light, perfect. We smashed these chips in queso though. There's a huge chunk of avocado in my guacamole. That was the only thing I wasn't. I tried to break it up with chips, but I was not successful. I kept breaking chips, but that was good. Ready to ride Guardians? What row do you think we're gonna get? I said, what row? I was tricking you.
I heard you say row. I was like, oh, she's probably gonna mess it up.
I was tricking you to see if you were still listening. It was 8 and 7.
This plane is never gonna work. Okay, I'm locked onto your vehicle. We'll be right behind you. Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely to kill him.
Good luck. You're gonna need it. Who's gonna stop rock and roll from existing? What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
I was so mad that I got promoted. I still didn't play it and he just turned around. Good luck. Because I got my own song. Good luck.
Little brother is vindicated. And that does it for DisGoals at EPCOT today. We actually spent a little bit longer in there than we thought. It's a little bit after 1. La Cava, I think, did us in a little bit, but we had a great day. We did Ratatouille, we did Frozen, we did Cosmic Rewind. Like I said, we had some drinks and chips and salsa and queso at La Cava. Did some shopping in Germany and, you know, just kind of meandered around, had a good time. There's still so much more to do. We didn't even dip our toe into like the Communicore Hall and that whole section or the Land Pavilion, but we're here for a little bit, so we're trying to break it up into little sections. It is sweltering. Do you know what the temperature is? It feels hot. Let's see. It says 92. It's hot. And we're ready to hit the pool. One of the perks of being at Yacht Club. My kids are arguing behind me, so I think the heat has gotten to them, made them a little cranky. So we're gonna head back to the resort and go swimming. We'll see you next time. Go look at your DisGoals. Bye.